Thank you. Yeah, like I was saying in the beginning, come visit us on February 11th at the Aggie Theater, Fort Collins. Let's rip it. Thank you guys so much for popping in and streaming. Man, it's been a while since we've been on a stage, and we're in a living room stage. Goldie, you set this up. You set this up. Oh, yeah.
We take the world by storm and we rolling in. We take the world by storm and we're moving in. I see all of these people in the color of their skin. Rise up, stand up, putting into racism. Say now karma will collect when your children turn their back. Don't be fooled by the rule of the crazy man. He's swag justice. 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 It will be served on a silver platter. Take the fire and the storm. Burn Babylon, it doesn't matter. Wicked doer and believer of a system but an entity. 1% they fool us with them greed and dirty laughter. Come on, come on. Set the system it will fall. Come on, come on. Set the system it will fall. Hey.
There's a time to be thankful, a time to be strong, a time to rise up and right the wrongs. There's a whisper in the wind, I can hear it in the song. It's coming around the bend and I hope you sing along. Take flight, I might respite my whole life. Give thanks for this height, in my head I hold tight to this freedom that we fight for. But our rights gone by nightfall. Come on, we're in it for the long haul.
Come on. Set the system it will fall.